in our last video, we had created the test, demonstration test. Now we'll deploy it to make it available for students. I've highlighted demonstration test, and I'm going to click submit. It's going to take us to a page called test options. Here's where you can set the date and times and other availability options. This is the directions we had written last time. I'm going to show test description to students and our instructions also. Make available to students, we'll definitely click yes there. Multiple attempts. This will allow students to take it an unlimited number of times or a finite number of times. We can choose 2, for example. And down here, click last graded attempt or highest grade, lowest, first, or average. Forced completion means that once the student starts the test, they have to finish it in that sitting. It's not like they can start the test and come back later, so that's just in one go. The timer is so that they have a limited amount of time. Here's 60 minutes. Auto submit means the system will hand in the test for the student at the end of the 60 minutes with whatever is entered in there. Here's when the students will be able to see the test at all display after March 11th. So for example, I can write March 11 at, actually let's go with March 15, Monday, until the Friday at 10:15. So once a student can take this test between Monday the 15th or Friday the 19th, and once they start it, they'll have only 60 minutes. Or I could just open it up for now, and they'll have until next Friday to take it. You can enter a password if you want, a due date, and if you want the students to be able to see the test scores in their My Grades area, you can check this off. Show results and feedback. So here's where you can set for students when they can see the correct answers to those given. In general, I would pick after availability end date or after attempts are graded. So after you've looked at it and have scored it, that's when the students will see the answers. You don't want to have them see the answers before everyone has taken it, in short. So here's some other options here. Submitted means this is what the students have just checked off, but what they've entered in. You can also click in correct, so they will be able to see what they should have put in versus what they actually put in. You can also just leave this unchecked. I'll leave it checked for now, and all would be both of them. Test presentation all at once, that means the test will be on just one long scroll on the screen. One at a time means that each question is its own page. If you choose this, you can also click prohibit backtracking, so that means the student will not be able to go backwards to answer a previous question. There's also randomized questions, so that, again, with the randomized answer selection, it will put the questions in a random order. So students are getting slightly different versions of the test. I'll leave this off for now and submit. So here's our test, demonstration test. And then that is how I'll look to the student.